Hey there, today we're diving into the Dominican Magic Detangler Coconut-Infused Conditioner, a hydrating and strengthening formula that softens, detangles, and restores shine for all hair types. This ultra-hydrating conditioner is infused with coconut to moisturize and soften your hair, leaving it silky, tangle-free, and shiny without any oily residue. Made with all-natural ingredients, it pairs perfectly with your favorite coconut shampoo for a complete hair care routine. It's especially great for damaged hair, nourishing each strand to help restore strength and vitality. If you have curly hair, this conditioner enhances natural bounce and improves manageability for beautiful curls. Plus, the eco-friendly gallon size supports sustainability by reducing plastic waste. Experience healthier, softer hair with this powerful coconut-infused conditioner designed for all hair types. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.